Dear students, welcome to you all. Today in this video, I will discuss about consistent and inconsistent pair of linear equations and graphical solution of a pair of linear equations in two variables. First, consistent pair of linear equation. A pair of linear equations in two variables is said to be consistent if it has at least one solution, that is either unique solution or infinitely many solution. Inconsistent pair of linear equations. A pair of linear equations in two variables is said to be inconsistent if it has no solution. Now, we discuss graphical solution of a pair of linear equations in two variables. Dear students, an outstanding characteristic of linear equations in two variables is their adaptability of graphical analysis. Let the given pair of linear equations in two variables be a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 taken as 1 and 2. In order to find a graphical solution or do graphical analysis of a pair of linear equations in two variables, we draw the graph of each of the given linear equations. When a pair of lines is graphed in the same coordinate plane using the same set of axes, then one and only one of the following possibilities can occur. The pair of lines may intersect in a single point, then the then the equations have a unique common solution and the pair of linear equations is consistent from figure first. Second, the pair of lines may be coincident, then the equation have infinitely many solutions. In this case, every solution of one equation is a solution of the other and the pair of linear equations is dependent consistent from figure 2. The pair of lines may be parallel, then the equation have no common solution and the pair of linear equations is inconsistent from figure 3. Dear students, from figure 1, it has unique solution if two lines intersect at a point. We get unique solution. If two lines coincident, then it has infinitely many solution from figure 2, and if two lines are parallel, in that case it has no solution, means it is inconsistent. Unique solution and infinitely many solution, that is related to consistent. To understand the representation of a pair of linear equations algebraically and geometrically. Let us consider an example. Here we find the solution of exercise 3.1 from NCERT. Question number 2. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically or graphically. For solution, let the price of a bat be rupees X and that of a ball be rupees Y. According to the given condition, price of 3 bats plus price of 6 balls is equal to rupees 3,900. So we can write in the form of equation, that is 3x plus 6y is equal to 3,900, and if we write in simplest form, we get x plus 2y is equal to 1,300. Means this equation is divided by 3 on both sides. Again, according to the second condition, price of 1 bat plus price of 3 balls equal to rupees 1,300. So on the basis of the equation x plus 3y equal to 1,300. Thus the algebraic representation is x plus 2y is equal to 1,300. This is taken as equation 1, and second x plus 3y equal to 1,300. This is taken as equation 2. Now we will discuss about geometric or graphical representation. To represent equation 1 and 2 graphically, we need to find at least 2 solutions of each equation. Now first we take equation 3x plus 6y is equal to 3,900 from equation 1. So what is the value of y? Y equal to 3,900 minus 3x by 6, and taking as x is equal to 100, we get y is equal to 3,900 minus 300 by 6, and after solving we get y is equal to 600. When x is equal to 600, we get y is equal to 3,900 minus 1,800 by 6, and finally we get y is equal to 350. Thus the two solutions of the equation 3x plus 6y equal to 3,900 are in table form. X and y, for x is equal to 100, we get y is equal to 600. For x is equal to 600, we get y is equal to 350. Plot the points A 100, 600 and B 600, 350 on a graph paper. Draw a line passing through the points A and B. Then the line AB represents the equation 3x plus 6y equal to 3,900 from the graph paper. We can see this. Also, taking second equation, x plus 3y is equal to 1,300, and on the basis of this y is equal to 1,300 minus x by 3, and if we take x is equal to 100, y is equal to 1,300 minus 100 by 3, and we get it is equal to 400. Means if x is equal to 100, then y is equal to 400, and if x is equal to 400, then y is equal to 1300 minus 400 by 3, and this is equal to 300. Thus, the two solutions of the equation x plus 3y equal to 1300 are in table form x and y. If x is equal to 100, then y is equal to 400. If x is equal to 400, then y is equal to 300. Plot the points P 100, 400 and Q 400, 300 on the same graph paper. Draw a line passing through P and Q. Then the line PQ represents the equation x plus 3y equal to 1300. Here we have drawn the graph, and we see that the two equations intersect each other at a point. So, the two lines representing the situation graphically intersect at 1300 and 0. Dear students, assignment: solve exercise 3.1 from NCERT. Thank you.